Welcome back to English class. Yes, dear student, hope you all are safe and fine at your home. So today we are going to learn a grammar part. So suppose we want to describe or we want to introduce to somebody. Yes, or suppose you want to explain about me. If you want to explain more about me, then you use words. Yes, I will tell you one example. Suppose I want to explain you about the chalk. Yes, so this is a chalk. But if I want to explain more about this chalk, what can I say? Yes, this is small chalk. Yes, or you can say that piece of chalk. Yes, and if you want to explain this chalk, what you say? Yes, this is a long or big chalk. You can say that. And this is a short. So you are using different words for describing any particular thing. Yes, so here you describe about chalk. Suppose one more example we can say that I have this book. And if you want to describe about this book, what you can say? Yes, a big book. Yes, so you can describe more about this book. So you can use a big book. You can say that a big book. So what is this big? Yes, so when you are using words to describe things, yes, so it is called as describing word. Yes, and these describing words are called as adjective. Yes, understood? Adjectives means what? Adjective is or you can say that adjectives are describing words. It describes particular thing, place, animal, or whatever you want, you can describe it. So these all describing words are called as adjective. So you can describe its quality, its color, its size, its shape, or even its number. So these words are called as what? Adjectives, because these are describing words. So what are the adjectives? See here on page number 35, you have this grammar part, that is adjective. So now you understood what is adjective? Yes, adjectives, words that describe the naming words. Yes, and these words are called as adjective. So I'll write here describing words I'll write here are called adjectives. Yes, why? Because it describes more about the particular thing or particular person. So you can describe, see, and describing words, see, you can describe its quality, see, words, and these words used to describe, see what you can describe here? Yes, first one, you can describe its color, you can describe its quality, you can describe its size, or you can describe its shape also. Again, what you can describe? Yes, you can describe its number. Now color means example of the adjective. I will write here one example for more understanding. See, colorful, in that you can say like that. See, a red ball. Red ball. So usually you can say that this is a ball. But if you write red ball, what you can get information or what you understand? Yes, so this ball is red. So this red is what? Adjective. Again, example I'll give you. See, the sky is blue. The sky is blue. From that, see, which is the adjective here? Yes, blue. It is a color. Why? It is describing what? It describes color of the sky. You can know that, or you understand that while reading this sentence, you can get information that the sky is blue. Yes, one more example. The sun is hot. See, what it is hot means this hot is also adjective. So it describes about the sun, means sun is very hot. Again, a simple example I will tell you. A tall boy. You can say that he is a boy. But if you say that he is a tall boy, yes, he is a boy means you can say that he is a boy naturally. But he is a tall boy. If you use tall, tall means what? This is adjective. This is describing word. It describes about this boy. So you can know that this boy is tall. Yes, or the boy is tall. Again you can say that a long or a big car. You can say that a big car. So, which is the adjective here? Yes, very good, big. Because you can know that while reading this, you can know that the car is big. Yes, so it describing about the car. So it describing its size. Even you can describe in that its size also. Yes, so these words used to describe its color, quality, shape, number and size. Yes, so again we can say that one example. See, clever bird. Clever bird. So, clever bird means you can say that it is a bird. But if you use clever word, you can know that, you can understand that the bird is clever. Yes, so it is describing about its quality, how he is or how the bird is. Got it? Even you can say that smart girl. Seema is a smart girl. So this smart, what it is? Yes, adjective, because it is describing about the girl. Yes, next one example I'll tell you. You can say that beautiful flower. Yes, beautiful flower. So, see, you can get information. Which is the adjective here? Beautiful. Yes, so beautiful is adjective. It describes about the flower. It's giving more information about the flower. So now you clear about that. What are the adjectives? Adjectives are describing words. Yes, and it describe or it used to describe color, quality, shape, number and size. You can describe whether it is place, whether it is animal, yes, whether it is anything. So words, those are describing, yes, used to describe person, place or thing are called as adjective. Yes, again you can say that big house. Yes, you can say that tall girl. Yes, white fan, black chair. So these all, you are using these words to describe a particular thing. So these words are called as adjective. Yes, fat girl, short boy, clever girl, long hair. You can say that. You can use long. Yes, long hair. Yes, big city. Yes, old book. You can describe the book is old. So these all words are called as adjective. So here on page number 36 you have a small exercise. That what? Circle the adjective in the sentences. What you have to do? Just you have to circle the sentences. We are solving here. Just see on page number 36. You have that small exercise. So we can solve here. So now you are clear about adjective? Yes. Circle the adjective. Yes, circle the adjectives in these sentences. So first one is mango is a tasty fruit. I'll write for all sentences, then we'll solve. Singapore is a clean city. Now you read the sentence and tell me the answer. Sudha is wearing a green dress. Okay, one more. Rose is a beautiful flower. Ramu is a kind man. Ramu is a kind man. Yes, and the last one is mother is a busy person. Busy person. So here these are few sentences. What we have to do? We have to circle the adjective from these given sentences. So what is the first sentence? See, mango is a tasty fruit. So dear student, you just tell me which is the adjective here. Yes, mango is a tasty fruit. Very good. So here adjective is tasty. So you have to circle to tasty. Why? Because it is describing taste of the fruit or taste of the mango. Next, see, Singapore is a clean city. Yes, which is the adjective? Very good. Clean. Why? Because it is explaining or describing about the city of Singapore, which is very clean. So we can say that Singapore is a clean city. So clean is adjective. Next, see, Sudha is wearing a green dress. You can say that Sudha is wearing a dress, but it given more information about her dress, about that color of the dress. So which is the adjective? Yes, green. So which color dress she wore? Yes, green. So green is adjective. Next, see, rose is a beautiful flower. So you can say that rose is a flower, but you use beautiful word to describe about the rose. So here beautiful is adjective. You have to circle beautiful. Next, see, Ramu is a kind man. You can say that Ramu is a man, but how he is kind. So it describes its quality of the man or quality of that particular person. So here you can say that Ramu is a kind person. So kind is adjective. Next, see, mother is a busy person. You can say that mother is a good person, busy person. Yes, so here busy word used for describing about the mother. So here mother is adjective. So these are adjectives in these sentences. What you have to do? Just write down in your notebook once. Yes, and watch this video. Try to adjust, and again you can write your own sentences also. Yes, hope you all understood. So today what we learned about adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. It used to describe quality, yes, color, size, shapes, size or shapes, and number. So these all are about the adjective. Hope you all understood. Yes, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.